In our relentless quest to break free from the unyielding chains of dominance and to awaken to an entirely new and profound reality, we stand upon a decisive crossroads. Our world as it stands is a tapestry woven with threads of ceaseless busyness, bone-deep weariness, and the crushing weight of daily obligations. Meanwhile, a privileged few dwell in their lofty ivory towers, seemingly impervious to the struggles and suffering endured by the masses. We are left to ponder, what wisdom do they glean from their secluded existence? In the shadowed embrace of the abyss, amid the ceaseless tumult of life's battles, we excavate the primal essence. From the depths where hope languishes as a distant memory, the faintest glimmer bears the gift of profound serenity. This radiant inner light, a steadfast spark of fortitude and unyielding faith, knows no elitist sanctuary. It dwells within the recesses of our souls. It is not distinct from us, it is the very core of our being. Now let's envision a utopian world, a world transformed by simple yet radical changes in the way we think and operate. In this utopia, people prioritize meaningful connections over material possessions, fostering a sense of belonging and purpose within their communities. The unwavering pursuit of personal gain gracefully yields to a commitment to work-life balance. Education transcends rote memorization and standardized testing, emphasizing critical thinking, empathy, and emotional intelligence. Sustainable practices become ingrained in daily life, with renewable energy resources, zero-waste living, and conservation efforts as the norm. Healthcare prioritizes prevention and holistic well-being, recognizing the intricate mind-body connection. Everyone's basic needs are met, reducing financial stress and enabling individuals to pursue their passions and contribute to society meaningfully. Technology is harnessed to enhance the human experience, fostering connection, creativity, and solutions to our global challenges. And last but not least, imagine this. We awaken to the power of our inner light, understanding that the journey of the fallen man can lead to a profound awakening, a collective consciousness radiating hope, love, and unity. As we contemplate this vision of a utopian world, we must remember that it is not an unattainable dream, but a potential reality within our grasp. It's time to acknowledge a fundamental truth. We are the architects of our own destiny, and the notion of an external savior coming to rescue us must give way to the understanding that we hold the power to shape our world. Concepts such as the higher self further suggest that within each of us lies a divine aspect, this spark of the divine source waiting to be realized. The stirring of this inner divinity serves as our guiding light, the path to liberate ourselves from dominance, embrace a new reality, and shape a utopian earth commences within each of us. It commences with a shift in perspective, a resolute dedication to personal growth, and a deep recognition that the transformative power to change the world resides within our own beings. Other concepts such as the collective consciousness and oneness suggest that at a deeper level, we are all interconnected. Recognizing this, we have the potential to tap into a collective source of strength and resilience. And history is replete with examples of individuals and groups who have dared to challenge systems of dominance and oppression. These movements have thrived through the collective recognition of imperative to challenge the prevailing norms, questioning entrenched power hierarchies, and tirelessly pursuing a world characterized by fairness and justice. The individuals within these movements are driven by a shared determination to disrupt the established order, fueled by a deep sense of social responsibility. Understanding that true change often requires collective action and a willingness to confront the forces that perpetuate inequality and suffering. Stories like the Tower of Babel, as depicted in various cultures, serve as a cautionary tale about human hubris and the consequences of unchecked ambition. The tower's collapse is a metaphor for the disintegration of our spiritual harmony when we prioritize material gain and individual pursuits over the pursuit of inner wisdom and unity with the higher power. Haramabif is a symbolic figure in mythology, and his role is rich with meaning. Portrayed as the chief architect and master builder of King Solomon's temple, a pivotal and sacred structure. However, beyond the literal construction of a physical temple, Haramabif's story is intended to convey deep spiritual and philosophical teachings. His journey symbolizes the timeless human quest for inner spiritual development and self-improvement. In this context, the temple is not a physical building but a metaphor for the inner sanctum of one's being, a place where wisdom, virtue, and inner peace reside. It represents the pursuit of self-discovery and transformation of one's character and consciousness. The act of building this inner temple involves a deep and intentional journey of self-reflection, self-mastery, and personal growth. It signifies the quest to cultivate qualities like wisdom, moral integrity, and inner tranquility. Just as the construction of Solomon's temple required careful planning, dedication, and craftsmanship, so does the development of one's inner temple demand diligence and conscious effort. When we speak of an awakening, we refer to a fundamental shift in consciousness, a moment when the fog of illusion lifts. It emphasizes the importance of preserving and sharing spiritual wisdom for the betterment of oneself and the world. This awakening is often accompanied by a sense of profound inner peace, clarity, and purpose. It's as if a dormant potential within us is suddenly activated, propelling us towards a new way of being. And so as we commence this voyage in unison, tending to the ethereal flames within, and casting their radiant warmth upon all those who cross our paths, together we are architects of a realm where compassion, cooperation, and communion flourish. A realm that transcends the shackles of dominance and embraces the resplendent tapestry of our interconnected humanity. We extend our gratitude to you for exploring this mystical odyssey. Your engagement, appreciation, and connection are the keystones of our collective journey. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Please share your thoughts, engage, and be part of our ever-unfolding exploration into the profound art of awakening and the alchemy of positive transformation. With unwavering resolve, we set forth towards a future aglow with boundless promise. Onward to a luminescent dawn. Peace.